Select Kia EVs come with an EV power button that is either located on the center console or the dash. Whenever the front door is opened, the EV power button will be illuminated. The light will go off after 30 seconds or when the door is closed. Also, when all doors are closed and you lock the vehicle via the smart key, the light will go off immediately. The EV power button has 4 positions: off, accessory, on, and start run, or ready. Turning on an EV is a little different than starting a vehicle with an internal combustion engine. With the vehicle in park, depress the brake pedal, then press the EV power button. Now you can shift into reverse or drive. The vehicle will only start when the smart key is in the vehicle. If you press the EV power button without depressing the brake pedal, the vehicle will go into accessory mode. If the vehicle is in accessory mode for more than an hour, the vehicle will turn off automatically to prevent battery discharge. When in accessory mode, you can use the audio system or other accessories. If you press the EV power button while the vehicle is in the accessory position, without depressing the brake pedal, the vehicle will be turned on. Here you can check the warning lights and other functions before driving the vehicle. When you press the EV power button again from the on position while the brake pedal is pressed and the shifter is in park, the vehicle will be in start run or ready mode. Now you can start driving the vehicle. To turn the vehicle off, depress the brake pedal, press the park button, then press the EV power button. If the smart key battery is weak or is not working correctly, you can power on the vehicle by holding the smart key against the EV power button with the lock button side facing the EV power button. For additional information, please refer to your owner's manual, the Kia Features and Functions Guide, or the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.